front of me is Samsung Galaxy F34 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Files by Google. When your app is ready, open it. Click on Continue and tap on Allow. Following that, click on the gray sweater next to Files by Google and then select Clean at the bottom left corner. Now you need to tap on Clean under Junk Files and choose Clear to confirm your choice. So when I click, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!